She whispers, she expresses, she speaks, she loves.
Guys, guess where we're going?
To the volcano.
Yay! I was about to do this in tennis shoes. Seriously, who did I think I was? Cody, got an answer for that? Who did you think I was?
Huh?
Who did you think I was?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about? So this is a sign you know you're going the right way. Bleep. The hike was going to take us about 1.5 hours each way with all that camera gear and extra clothes we packed for the hike. Guys, just literally climbed, I want to say 0.4 miles, grabbing onto a rope and getting our way to the top of the volcano. And I think I might freak out because look at this. Oh, oh my god. Look at all that pink in the sky. And I freaked out. Oh my god. Oh, oh my god. Holy shit. This is the most beautiful thing I've honestly ever seen. And I feel like I'm over exaggerating, but I'm not.
Words don't justify close to what was going through my mind, body, and soul the moment I connected with her. From her radiating glow to her breath overpowering my consciousness, I could only obey as she stood still as I tiptoed closer and closer to her outbreak. Nothing else really mattered besides connecting with her as the ashes of earth and her veins continued to cry out, breaking through years worth of dormancy. I didn't know how I was going to react as I kept my expectations low because really anything could have happened, even though we were almost entirely certain that we were going to see the lava flow. But driving up to the lava, we were barely running on sleep as we arrived to the lot around 11:30 p.m., witnessing cars waiting to get their cars towed. Crazy to even think because if we made the wrong turn, that could have easily been us.
Damn. These poor fellas got stuck trying to get to the volcano.
It was an absolutely beautiful day as there were no sign of fog that would hover our views of witnessing the lava flow. We started hiking around midnight where it was fully bright outside. It was day 9 in Iceland and it mind-boggled me every single time I looked at my watch during hours it should have been pitch dark. But that's Iceland for you, the most interesting and abnormal country I've ever been to. How lucky, how grateful, how blessed I was to even say that I had the opportunity to hike up to witness a volcano eruption. From having warm enough clothes to wear, to being physically healthy to hike, I was truly blessed. Something I definitely cannot say I could do every single day. My feelings, my thoughts, all resided while we were on our way to see one of the most magnificent occurrences on Earth. It was as if all my fears and complicated thoughts left my mind, body, and soul. Nothing else really mattered besides knowing to be present with just being in that very moment. I've never really seen anything close to an erupting volcano before, and I didn't know what to expect. But the closer and closer we got, I was able to feel the heat of the lava through the winds of the earth. I smelled the difference in the air. There were pockets of warmth mixed in with the winds building up. I could hear the sounds of the lava breaking through the grounds as she was molding new, solid additions onto earth. Over time, more and more people were rolling through, sharing this beautiful joint experience to witness the lava flow. This was easily one of the biggest reasons why I actually came to Iceland, and I couldn't have been happier with the total experience. I was truly blessed. And just a few days later, we were notified that she stopped erupting as much as she was when we went to go visit. How insane is that, knowing that we caught her at the right time? No matter what was to happen, whether or not we were lucky enough to see the volcano flow, that everything was going to work in its favor. That even if we didn't get the chance to connect with her, that everything was going to be okay, knowing that she was up, running, and doing her job.
So guys, it's currently 3 going to 3:30 in the morning and we are finally leaving the volcano and I am at such a loss of words still. I don't really know what to say, but that was like the absolute most beautiful thing I've ever seen and witnessed in my entire life. As we were approaching the volcano, it got better and better, and the more we started walking, like the whole entire landscape landscape which is full of lava. I remember this moment for the rest of my life. You just think like, how is this even possible? Like, how does life even work? We made it out of the volcano.